Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's actually a Sunday today. Saturday, September the 2nd, 2023. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles remain. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. But you are interested in this one, yes. It's the binary puzzle. Takuzu in Japanese. And this one will be number 7032. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means that in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright? So let's get started. Double one, Dano. Double one, Dano. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Okay. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Well, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. That box should be no. 4 O's we have here, so that's the ones. 4 ones we have here, so that's the O's. And 4 ones we have here, so that's the O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so that's the O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so that's the O's. Double O, here one, there one. Well, double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. In 3 minutes. Without comparing. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Well, not true, because in the evening we have also the Samurai Sudoku. Alright, see you in a minute with the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.